Have you ever looked up at night sky and wonder if we are truly alone? Well, in New Jersey, something strange has been happening recently that's making even the most skeptical people pause. For the last few weeks, locals has been spotting mysterious drones, or are they UFOs, hovering in the sky with airy lights and patterns no one can fully explain. These sightings have spiraled into a full-blown mystery. And it's not just a few curious minds discussing it. Social media is exploding with theories. Everything with alien encounters to secret government operations. But what really going on? Is it just another case of mistaken identity? Or is there something more? Stay with me as we dive deep into this bizarre phenomena and try to separate facts from fiction. Could these sightings be just a glitch in our understanding? Or is something far strange unfolding right above our heads? It all started when the skies over New Jersey began to seem different. No, it wasn't a new cloud formation or a strange weather pattern. People started reporting sightings of mysterious drone, or were they something else? These aerial figures, often appearing at night, seem to have lights that flickered into odd patterns, making some wonder if they were UFOs. Eyewitnesses described seeing clusters of drones moving together in strange formation, sometimes hovering silently, other times drifting quickly across the sky. The reports flooded in, leaving both the public and authorities scrambling for answers. And it wasn't just local clatter. The internet exploded. Social media, particularly Twitter, was ablaze with theories. Were these drones from a secret military operation, or was this something entirely more out of this world? As people began to speculate, the story only depended, and before anyone could make sense of it, even officials were getting involved. Let's rewind for a second. The first reports started surfacing in late November and early December. A few isolated sightings, sure, but soon they become regular. From the rural farms land to cityscapes, started seeing these drones. Some said they appeared like the usual quadcopters, but with light that were too bright, too synchronized. Others claimed the drones moved in a formation that were unlike anything they had ever seen. And then things took a turn. The sighting didn't just stop after a few days. No, they kept coming in. Drones flying at night, low to the ground, sometimes close to military bases or restricted airspaces. It became more than just a mystery. It was a spectacle, a growing sensation of uncertainty, especially since these drones didn't seem to belong any known operators. They weren't the usual hobbyist drone you would find in someone's backyard. They moved with purpose, almost like they were being controlled. But the question remained, by whom and why? As the reports piled up, Governor Phil Murphy stepped into the spotlight. The governor didn't waste time. He saw the growing public concern and knew this was no longer just a local issue. What started as a series of curious drone sightings was beginning to look like a national security concern. Governor Murphy didn't hesitate to call for a federal assistance, recognizing the need for a border response. He reached out for federal agencies, asking for resources to help investigate and identify the source of mysterious aerial object. This wasn't just about safety anymore. It was about the growing tension that the drones could represent something far more serious. Was it a foreign government testing something in USA airspace? Was it a threat we aren't prepared for? Or was it something else entirely? Governor Murphy's move signaled that New Jersey wasn't going to brush this off as some small town mystery. This was an issue that needed attention from the highest level of government. But things didn't stop there. As local authorities scrambled to make sense of the drone sightings, reports started coming in from the Naval Air Station Lackhoods. This was a major turning point. The station reported airspace breaches, multiple instances of unidentified drones flying into restricted airspace without permission. Military and aviation experts immediately flagged these as potential threats. What made this even more concerning was the proximity to sensitive areas, including military installation and government buildings. The thought of drones getting too close to these areas unseen, unreported raised alarm. Were these just drones or the loose? Or were they doing something more sinister? Could it be an attack in the making or just an accidental breach by civilians unaware of their surroundings? The concern over airspace violations was real. And soon it wasn't just military experts and government officials who were paying attention. The public's curiosity grew, and with it, the theories. Now let's talk about the speculation. People's imagination ran wild. Some believed these were secret government drones, part of an undisclosed project. Others whispered about foreign nations testing the limits of US airspace, probing for weakness. But then there were the more out there theories. One of the most popular ideas, aliens, yes, the aliens. With the increasing number of sightings and the seemingly coordinated movements of these objects, some speculated that these could be extraterrestrial craft. Social media posts spread like wildfire, with hashtags like New Jersey UFO trending as people uploaded videos and pictures of the mysterious drones. It wasn't just a few locals anymore, it was a global conversation, suggesting that these drones might be a part of a sophisticated, albeit unknown military exercise. But even those who thought logically couldn't escape the question who exactly was controlling them and what were they looking for. For many, it was an unsettling mix of excitement and fear. What if these weren't just drones, but something much more unexplained? If these drones were simply the result of some technical malfunction or misguided hobbyists, that would be one thing. But the more serious concern began to rise. Were drones being used irresponsibly? Were they too easy to deploy in sensitive areas? Governor Murphy and other lawmakers found themselves facing public pressure to enact stricter regulation around drone uses. People were calling for clear identification protocols, better airspace monitoring, and consequences for unauthorized drone activity, especially near military or government sites. The truth was, drones were already being used widely across the country, but they weren't necessarily being regulated as strictly as they should be. This wasn't just about a few reckless drone enthusiasts anymore. It was about safety and national security. And as more and more reporters of airspace breaches piled up, the pressure mounted to take action, to ensure that something like this wouldn't happen again, and to make sure that these drones, whether from Earth or elsewhere, wouldn't go unchecked. So, what's the truth? Were these drones simply the work of an overactive imagination? Or is there something more hidden in the skies above the New Jersey? We are left with more questions than answers. But as the sightings continue and as government agencies scramble to investigate, this is a mystery we will be following for a long time. Whatever the case, New Jersey skies will never look the same again.